guys, welcome back to Conron Farms. We're around the first week of February, and time is moving really fast. We're a month and a half away from being back in the field and doing stuff in the field. And I got the sprayer ready to go, so it's ready. I don't have the strip till machine ready to start doing any fertilizing, so we still got time, right? But yeah, we're definitely working on a piece of equipment that won't be used for a couple months yet, but it needs to get put back together. We've been slowly, there have been little things. I'd put new bearings in both these little wheels on both sides, and new seals inside here. I didn't do a whole new seal kit, just here. Amazingly enough, all those seals, same exact seal in each one of those cylinders went out all together. So kind of interesting, but finally got those put back together. It's not fun dealing with hydraulic oil. It just makes a mess. But today we're going to try to get the blades all swapped out, because as you might be able to see, some of them are pretty worn. Some of them aren't. But we're going to go ahead and replace all of them, put all new, and then I'll just keep the good ones to replace the really bad ones as it goes, just to make them last a little longer. And then obviously, as you might be able to see, you'd say there's something missing. Yeah, get that put back together. We'll see on that one, but yeah, that's basically what's going on. So we're gonna tackle this and then see what else we can do. If we could get this done and unhooked today, I would really like that. That'd be nice. We'll see. Last one. Made pretty good quick work of it, but some of you guys can tell I have to get a new one, but a couple of these are getting pretty wore on the heads. So I do know one thing: when you're doing this, if you're not wearing gloves, do not by any means put your hand here to hold the bolt, because it will cut your finger really bad or cut it off. I mean, these are really sharp. So generally, if you don't have gloves, just use a hammer. But I got really thick gloves, so that's all I'm doing. The other thing that made this job a lot easier was a couple days ago I had sprayed them all with some of that PV blaster. Rust breakdown stuff. That does help, because these things are definitely rusted in there. I don't know if you saw on camera there how it popped up and spun out. Yeah, and that one would get you. But anyways, the other thing that also helps with these is having a good impact. Saves a lot of work. There it is, 25 of them to be exact. Now the fun part is to put them all back together. I would almost say it was easier to take them off. All right, let's get the new ones. Well, guys, I know we were just working on Quinstar replacing blades, and now we're a bright sunny day again and nowhere near the Quinstar. Well, my battery died that day on the camera. Didn't have the charger. I thought, well, I'll be back the next day. Well, then we had been fighting sickness in the household, and well, it struck a little bit further. My wife got sick. My middle child got sick pretty good. My oldest was still recovering. My youngest was doing good. So her and I got to spend a lot more time together. And that's good. But then in that process, I kind of got sick. Not bad, not like they are. I'm just tired. Maybe I'm more just tired because of taking care of all of them. I don't know. But most of them are doing better now. Been a couple days. It's a nice afternoon. They're talking, yeah, I'm short of breath. That's kind of what it's done. But they're talking some possible snow and real cold here this week. So that's actually, I hope we get the snow. The cold isn't going to be so much fun. But anyways, we're going to try to get these blueberry and the Magnum back there started up today and change oil in them, and fuel filters and air filters. Maybe even vacuum the cabs out. Maybe shouldn't get too ahead of myself here. But if we can get the oil changed in them, that'd be really good. There's another couple things to have to do. I think these are the last two besides one combine, possibly two combines, but for sure one combine needs to get done. And yeah, we're making progress, but let's see if we can't get her to start here, and we'll see if we can't get a shot of her. Uh-oh. I don't think the battery's dead, but I'm not in neutral. Alright, that's a pretty good start. Been about a month since I've had this one running, so both this one and that one. But they both definitely need an oil change. Alright, we'll let this one warm up and we'll get the other one started. Alright guys, well, there they are. Two pretty good looking tractors. One's got a flat tire, if you can see that over here on the Magnum. We'll go put some air in it. But there we go. Fuel filters, air filters, oil changed. They should be ready to go. I didn't really see anything of too much concern. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think we should be good to go. But didn't get the cabs cleaned. Starting to get a little, sun's going down, it's getting colder. So we'll go put some air in this tire and put them back where they were sitting. So that way, when it snows later this week like they say it's supposed to, they're out of the way and we can push snow out of the drive here. But who knows? Anyways, yeah, it's a good feeling. It's always good to keep getting projects done and moving on. So I always like that. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next one. We're nearing mid-February. We're getting closer to mid-February, so yeah, we're not far off from actually getting in the field. And then lots of work, I guess. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.